Creamy, want no smoke with me. Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chef's kiss, she's a treat. She's so bougie, bougie, appetite. I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match.
Hi guys, it's Chrissy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. So in today's video, I'll be customizing this unit for my sister. This unit was purchased from Aliexpress. So I'm just showing you guys the construction of the unit. There's about 3 combs, a little bit of lace at the back, and at the front I believe it is a 13 by 6. I will leave all the specs on this hair in the description box below. So what I'm doing now is just parting along the hairline in order to tweeze the hair so that we can have a more natural looking hairline. And this process is very long, so you might want to put on a show, or I don't know, whatever you do. But yeah, I like to wet the hair and then I'll go along the hairline and I'll go ahead and tweeze. I'm so sorry guys if you can hear some noise in the background. My next door neighbor is doing something to their yard, and I can't do it inside either. I apologize, but I'm just going through the hair and just tweezing. I like to do it when it's wet because I feel like it's easier to work with. And that's my preference. Everyone has their preference how they like to do it, but this way is a lot easier. So I'm just showing you guys the side that I did and the side that I didn't do. So this side is not too bad. I could tweeze it a little bit more, but as you can see, this side is very straight. Like, you can definitely see it's very blunt. So when I install the hair, I'll be able to tweeze it a little bit more. But in the next clip here, I'm just braiding my sister's hair down. So all I did was part the hair straight back, and then I'm going to be parting the hair again just along the sides and just braiding it down. You want to make sure that the hair is flat, because of course you are putting on a wig and you don't want it looking all jacked up, you know what I'm saying? Or you don't want it just looking crazy. You don't want it looking a hot mess. So I'm just showing you guys that the end of the braid that I did previously, I'm just adding it to the braid that I'm doing, and I do that along the whole hair. So this is the final braiding pattern that I decided to go with. Now I'm just taking the Got2b glue and I'm applying it along my sister's hairline. There are many techniques out there that you can do. This is just what I do, my preference. So, like I said, everyone has their techniques. You do what works best for you. Oh my gosh, so much is going on right now. I apologize. So I'm going to take this freeze spray and I'm applying that along the hairline so that it will stay, or so that the hair will lay flat, so that that wig can lay flat. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm just going to blow dry the hair. Also, what you can do is get a scarf and tie it down so that it can lay flat as well. Next, I'm cutting the wig cap, and as you can see that the sides were lifting a bit, but that's okay. You can just take your freeze spray and just apply that to the hair so that it will stick, and then take your scarf and then just have that sitting for a while before you apply your wig. The reason why I didn't do that is because we were in a rush. So but that's a good tip that you can do after you apply your freeze spray, is just get your scarf and just hold it down for a bit so that everything could just be flat, because you don't want it to be lifting at the front. But anyways, I am now applying some more got2b gel to the hairline, and I like to part the hair and then add freeze spray along that part. For me, I like that the look it gives because I feel like it melts the lace. The freeze spray melts the lace a bit so that it can look a bit more natural and you don't have that grid looking hairline, which is not cute.
You ain't the one for me. You ain't that shit I need. Want me to take my time with you. Maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not.
So I do the same thing for the next side, and then I'll go along the lace and I'm just gonna cut that off. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know how I did in the comments down below, and also what I can improve on. What you guys didn't see me do was apply foundation to the hairline so it could look a little bit more natural, but that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.